All right. What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me for another video. It is Christmas, so Merry Christmas. Let's just get into this video. I have to mind the mess in here. It brought like patio furniture in because of the snow that was coming in. So let's get down here. Gonna be a quick video. Gonna be fixing my steering wheel hub, hopefully. So last video with the 240, I took the ignition cylinder off and all that stuff, so I could unlock the wheel. I got to work on wiring a relay into the push start button, so that should take care of all that stuff. Other issue I got to fix is the steering wheel hub. So the one that's on there is stripped because I tried to crack it loose. For whatever reason, I thought it'd be a good idea to try to yank the wheel really firmly and break this piece off, which I didn't realize was so significant. Kind of stripped the hub, so I'm hoping it's just the hub. So let's get into it. I will show you what needs to be replaced. This piece that I got is from NRG. I believe it was like the Innovation Race Hub, something along those lines. You will not be using a horn. I don't have a horn already, so no loss for me. This is the size of it. It's gonna shorten the wheel a lot. So what I need to look, I'm probably gonna have to see what, how short it's gonna make the wheel. Maybe I'll have to get a replacement hub. So let's go look at it quick and then we'll start cracking into it. Very tight here. So this is what we're looking at here. This piece that's below this. I don't know if that's gonna move, but behind this shroud, there's a piece that is stripped. The quick release attaches to that, but this is going to replace it. So as you see, it's basically going to be about that. So it's going to bring the wheel in about that much. So there's that. It's stripped, but there you go. I'm turning the wheel, right? Wheels aren't turning. Turning wheel. Wheels aren't turning. So hopefully this fixes it. After I swap this out, I'm gonna roll the car out so it's on the cement, and I try to turn the wheel and see what happens, because right now it turns here and there on the Swiss track flooring. So let's get into it and swap this out. Should be quick. If you're gonna be able to see, but this is the before of where the steering wheel is. Basically my whole palm and fingertips touch the dash. See where it is after that, but let's get cracking. I will show you how stripped this thing is in a minute. Step 1. Step 2, Allen key. Remove this hub. I already cracked a couple of these loose, so be right back. Got those off, by the way, very quick. One thing I didn't think of before I started doing this was try to get the wheels as straight as possible, so probably gonna have to take this on and off a couple times, but it should just be this bolt. Shouldn't be too hard. 19 mil. All right, so let's take a look at how stripped this thing is, and then we'll just slap the new one on. I don't know if we're gonna get a good shot of how stripped it is, but as you can see, it's kind of rounded out. How it's supposed to look, and how it looks. So hopefully this fixes it. Wish me luck that this is straight. Boom. Now let me get into the seat. Okay, so, all right, so it's not that much closer. It's actually pretty good, I would say. I mean, a little close here, but I could deal with that. Racing seats don't help, but fitment, palm on steering wheel, and more than enough finger on there, but there is enough space, so yes. Let's make sure the wheel's turning. I don't know if I can do this. I think we have a success. All right, so the only thing I'm gonna have to do is when I drive the car, when we're going straight, I could stop the car straight and take that off, adjust it a little bit, because it's probably, there's a very good chance the steering wheel is not going to be straight. So all you got to do is just 19mm, take that off, put it back on. It's actually a lot easier than the other stuff. So pretty excited about that. Bye. Oops. It's supposed to fall in the trash. I just rolled the car out so the front wheels are on cement. And it works. Thank God. It's a Christmas miracle. So the only things I have to do to finish getting this car back on the road, I guess, is replace the fuses on the little fuse panel, because I left myself a note there, because right now it's hardwired. No bueno, you want a fuse just in case something goes wrong. Fuse pops and your car doesn't burn down, so make sure you got fuses. What I'm gonna have to do is wire in a relay. I do have them somewhere, but I don't feel like doing that right now because I can't really drive the car anywhere, because as you can see, there is snow on the ground. I mean, it kind of melted, but there's still snow. I'm not planning on driving the car anywhere, so I'll eventually get to that. But yeah, A1, Gucci gang. All right, so since we're fixed here, that is it on this video. I did promise you it was gonna be a short video, and it is a short video. So Merry Christmas. I hope you guys got whatever you wanted for Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Hit that like button, and leave any comments down below. By the way, I totally forgot, this is the end of the video. If you're still here, go check out SD Motorworks, because they are the ones that hooked me up with this piece. Well, they didn't really hook me up, I paid for it, but came in 2 days, so that's legit. See you guys in the next one. Peace out, and Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.